Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzinwithvee. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a Halloween haul, and I picked up some stuff from KG Crafts. This is her information right here, and she sent along a thank you, and these are some buttons which are done with the, I believe, the Hey Pumpkin and some other. Let's go ahead and look at them. So I am very excited to work with Halloween stuff, and I want to show you exactly what I will be working with. So she did gift me some of these. I love these so much. I've won some with Bona's giveaway on Instagram, and I fell in love with them then. But look at Christina sent me some. I love them. Thank you so much, Christina. Again, there's her information. Okay, let's get into it, you guys. So this is what I'll be working with. You know, usually I'm with Hey Pumpkin. I'm not Hey Pumpkin, but usually, well, yeah, I do. I do work with Hey Pumpkin a lot, but this year I kind of went a little bit traditional instead of pastel. So I picked up this die here. I'm not sure if I will be gifting this die to somebody or not, but I thought it was a really cute die, and let's see what happens. I might be using it for embellishments, but who knows with me. We'll see. So I'm going with Pebbles, you guys. So here are the Puffy stickers that I picked up from her store, and she does a request, like when she's ready to buy a new collection, she will ask everyone on Instagram if they want to make a deposit towards a collection. And so she did this, I believe, in July or the end of June, around there. And I was like, yes, because you never know with Halloween. Last year, I was almost not able to get a collection, so I didn't want that to happen this year. So she was the first one that came on my radar, and I went ahead and purchased because I've already worked with Hey Pumpkin. I wanted something new, and I love this so much. Look at these little puffy stickers. Look at this house. I love it so much. Look at this guy right here, the cat, the little boogie guy here also as well. So that came in the kit. This also came in the kit. They're puffy spiders. So they're spooky by Pebbles, and I'm so excited to work with this again. Here is the ephemera. I almost wish I would have gotten two instead of one, so hopefully I can make all of this work, you guys. And then, oh, it came with two. I didn't even notice this. So it has 2 packs of ephemera. They're completely different. So there they are right there. I love this little guy right here, the little skeleton guy. Look at that. That is so cute. I love all the ephemera pieces. Hopefully I can work with them. But yeah, so 2 sets of ephemera. And then I also got a 6x8 paper pad. And these colors, look at this. I'm just gonna flip through it really fast. Just some amazing colors, very traditional. I do like to add a bit of pink into my tradition collection, so as I did with Hey Pumpkin, so you'll see that as well. So this is Spooky by Pebbles. It also came with some stickers, and these are flat stickers, but very cute stickers, very fun. I'm into like the fun Halloween versus the scary stuff, so that's what I tend to gravitate to. And then also some thickers. But look at these. These are so nice. These will definitely go really nice with some acetate or some laminator sheets. Very nice. I love these. Look at that. Even an embellishment book. And then I got the 12x12 paper pad as well. So this is what it looks like. These are the papers, and I will do a quick flip through. Let's go ahead and do that. So there it is. Ooh, you get one of these. Pumpkin, you get some words, and then some more journaling cards. I like that. Like the cats. I like the polka dots, the spiders. Oh, it's a gold, so I can mix in some gold here. I didn't notice that. And very spooky houses. So this is very retro to me. I'm not sure how I'll work that. I'll probably make some flowers out of this page. Yeah. But there's some more journaling cards. And some more. So I guess you get 2 of each, it looks like. And yeah, I like it, you guys. Awesome. Oh, I love these candies right here. What are these called again? I forget. But yeah, so there it all is, you guys. And then I have a very small Dollar Tree haul that I picked up a few things. You probably already seen it, but I'm going to show you anyway. So with what I'm working with this year with Halloween, I will be using these for sequence mixes or something else. I'm not sure. I take out all of this putty and I use the packaging. So yeah, that's what I'll be using as well. And I picked up these from Dollar Tree. I love to add either sequence in there or just decorate the whole thing, add some ribbon and some pom-poms and whatsoever. So those were a big thing. And then I have these as well from last year. My son has been playing with them. These are from Michael's, but I just wanted to show you real quick. I love that sound. It's so cute. But yeah, so I'll be using this as well. So, and then I have some leftover stuff from last year that I will be incorporating. So hopefully you guys enjoy that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.